In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Sites website. Whether you're streamlining your online presence or simply starting fresh, knowing how to remove a Google Sites page can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to do this efficiently. First, make sure you're on the right platform by heading over to the Google Sites homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in sitesgoogle.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed to Google Sites. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account using your credentials. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, which has access to the website you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your sites. Now look through this list to find the specific site you want to delete. When you've located the correct site, move your attention to the top right corner of the site's thumbnail. Here, you'll notice a small icon representing 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. This icon is your gateway to a variety of actions you can take on your site. Clicking on these 3 dots will bring down a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, carefully look for and select the choice labelled Remove. A word of caution here, removing a site is a permanent action, so ensure that you're absolutely certain about deleting the site before you proceed. After you've clicked on Remove, the system might ask you to confirm this action. This step serves as a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Usually you'll be prompted with a question or a pop-up asking if you truly want to proceed with this deletion. Take a moment to double check that you're deleting the correct site. Once you are sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion by following the on-screen instructions. Following the confirmation, your Google site will be sent to the trash. Keep in mind that this doesn't mean it's gone forever immediately. Typically, a site stays in the trash for up to 30 days, giving you a chance to recover it in case you've second thoughts or realize a mistake. After this period, the site will be permanently deleted. A quick tip, if you believe there's any chance you might need this site again, consider downloading a backup before deleting it. It's always prudent to have a backup plan, and there you have it, a straightforward and step-by-step guide to deleting a Google Sites website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it demystifies the process for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.